Well, hi, and welcome to Coffee with Chris. It is hump day. It is Wednesday, March 19th. We are the Front Porch, located at 24 South Main Street in downtown Pennington, New Jersey. And I just hope everyone had a wonderful weekend and a happy St. Patty's Day. I certainly did. It was a great day. I think most of you know that's the day I quit corporate America. So on Monday, it was 28 years. I'm telling you, time flies when you're having fun, but boy, am I glad I did it, because I never would have had the opportunity to be a part of my dream, which was always owning my own business, which I just always have to just mention my mom, Charlotte Murphy. If it hadn't been for her, I don't think it would have ever happened. Of course, also with the wonderful support of my husband, John, and my wonderful son, Murph. And I can't forget my sister-in-law, Debbie. Just so you know, she has kept our books for 28 years. Talk about something to drive yourself crazy with. Okay, so let's get started as we move forward. First of all, reminder, on Thursday, March 27th, we're having another event. We are very excited about it, and I think you are very excited about it because we've already gotten 13 people that have RSVP'd to it. And we are having Wallaroo hats. Our wonderful friend, account executive Mary, is coming to town. The Wallaroo hats are for men and women. So you guys, if you're listening to this and you want to come in, she will have all kinds of great hats. And I know a lot of you will walk in here and go, I don't look good in a hat. Well, I'm telling you, once Mary gets a hold of you, you will look good in a hat. Then we are also having our dear friend Lori, who represents Savannah B. She's going to be doing a fabulous charcuterie board with that wonderful honey that we all love. And she also represents Michel Design, which was recently acquired by Stonewall. So Michel Design is that great foaming soap, and Stonewall has given us the opportunity to try some drink mixers. So we are trying espresso martinis, margaritas, and the margarita has also already been sampled by Kelly, our dear friend of the Front Porch. She's given it the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. And Bloody Mary, which has been sampled by our event photographer, Helen, and she has given it the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. So it's going to be a wonderful evening. We will be raffling off 3 baskets. One will be Savannah B, one will be Michel Design, the other will be Stonewall. Each will be valued at $50. We will be raffling off 2 $50 gift cards to the Front Porch. And last but not least, Mary is going to let you, if you are the winner, pick the hat of your choice. So you can pick any hat that you want and you will get it for free. So please come out, sign up early. We sent out an email today. It's out there as an event. We've sent postcards out. If you need help, just call us at 609-737-0071. Text us on our store cell phone at 609-902-9200, or email us at sales at the Front Porch. We'd love to help you if we can. Okay, so let's just talk about what's happening here. First of all, you might be looking at my scarf. This is from a wonderful company that we do business with called Powder. And I thought, wow, this looks really nice and really light and fun. And then I just have to show you this one. This really reminds me of the scarf that I had on when the account executive from Powder said, is that a Powder scarf that you have on? And I said, yes. And she said, would you like to carry these scarves? And I said, yes. And the rest is history. I love this scarf. I think this is so much fun, so bright, and I think it actually looks pretty good with what I have on. Not too bad, not too bad. I might just leave this one on for now. but they're light. They're not super heavy. They're fun. The designs are great. Karen and I picked out probably a half a dozen, 6 to 8 different designs, and probably you've already seen some of them. We emailed out on Saturday. You got to see our model, Lynn, and also Lynn posted on Instagram and Facebook for us kind of like a revolving video of some of the things that we have. So check us out. If you don't have time, we can always take pictures for you. Okay, so then we also got in great Morse Code bracelets. And what I'm excited about is we got in some new ones, which is always fun. So let me just show you these, because I think what's great about the Morse Code is it doesn't scream what it says, but there are really nice sentiments on each card, and it is a wonderful gift. So how about the first one? Celebrate. Isn't it great to see the sun on my head? It's coming through our skylights. I think I need to have those cleaned. We have hope. We all need to have hope, right? Survivor. Always like that one. And we say survival of the fittest. Unstoppable. I think that's another great one. The majority of these are new, and I just think these are great. Now, this is not new, but it's very popular. Jersey Girl. And as we say, once a Jersey girl, always a Jersey girl. This is Warrior, which I think is great. And Be Kind. We need to be, yes, let's be kind to one another. Pay it forward. I saw somebody pay it forward yesterday at the post office. The Pennington post office will not give you tape to seal a package. This guy was standing there. He said to this gal, "You want to use mine?" I said to him, "Pay it forward." Be kind, right? It always pays off. And last but not least, and this is our number one, at least our number one for right now, and that is adventure. All right, so let me just, since we've kind of gotten through St. Patty's Day and we're thinking ahead towards spring, and one of our favorite companies is Mariposa. Just want to remind you that we have the Mariposa napkin box with the cute little bunny. And this is a napkin actually that we sell individually, which is so cute with the pink there, right? And then it's got the solid pink on the back side, if you can see that in this fabulous sun. And of course, we always sell the weights separately. So we also have the bunny separately, or this is a wonderful gift. I've started Murph and Nancy, my son and his wonderful wife, Nancy, on these. And we started with Valentine's Day, of course, then went on to St. Patty's Day. And I've got a little gift, they don't know it yet, just of the napkin and the weight for Easter, because it's just fun to have them on the cocktail table or whatever. All right, then, one of the things that we are known for are our great towels. So I just have to show you a few. Super cute, as Lynn would say. Easter Joy here, this one. We have everyday ones too, just so you know. Happy Easter with a cute little bunny tail. Oh yes, and for the animal dog lover, woo! Wait a minute. For the animal dog lover and all of us, at least most of us, especially those of us that work here at the front porch. And last but not least, I saw this and I thought it was so great. And of course, it's tied into my favorite sport, golf. And it's got a golf bag with clubs in it. And it says, if I hit it right, it's a slice. If I hit it left, it's a hook. If I hit it straight, it's a miracle. For those of you that play golf, you know it is definitely a miracle when it is straight and in the fairway. Oh gosh, what a sport, right? Okay, last but not least, and this once again gets you feeling like spring, are our candles. These are Kaspari candles. We have them in a pale pink, in that fabulous green that we love. We have it, I'll just put these down, in like a light aqua. A beautiful yellow. Yellow is very popular this spring. And last but not least, a darker pink. I'll tell you, the sun just, I don't know. I think you guys all know me. When it's sunny out, it can be a little bit cold. It's okay. But when the sun's out, it is just great. Okay, then a reminder. We have a gift with purchase. Brighton, spend $150 and you get this wonderful, beautiful, soft and lovely tote. I think they have really, as I said on a past Coffee with Chris, outdone themselves with this one. So, all right. So I'm excited. It's a great day. It's hump day. Our dear friend Allie is coming to town from Brighton. We always love it when she comes. She's going to help us get organized for spring. And I don't even want to think about it, Mother's Day. And also I'm very excited to say our dear friend Karen, my left and right arm here at the front porch, she had her knee replacement. It was 3 weeks ago Monday, and she is coming back for her first day. And on Monday, I said to her, the store has really missed you. So hopefully she comes back and maybe we don't get a gold star, but maybe we'll get some sort of a star for really, really trying to keep it as fabulous as she does, which is absolutely impossible. Okay, so have a wonderful rest of the week. Come see us. We would love to see you. And I will look forward to seeing you on Friday for the next Coffee with Chris. Take care and be safe.